the power supply, turn on the power switch. User login. Experimental test. Parameter setting. Sample name, sample number. Test method. Temperature setting. Test type. Click to test. Prepare samples. Click feedstock. The temperature is stable at 20 degrees Celsius. This is the test result of standard water. Click Save. View data. Data printing. Setting. Correction. Formula setting. Reset. Log list. Electronic signature. Network configuration. User. Permission management. Save. Help. Fault handling. My settings.